Hey, welcome my YouTube friends. Today I want to do a file folder walkthrough with you guys. So welcome to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and I created this, and I'm calling it the Perfect File Folder Folio Album. I did do the colored tie back, and I taught you guys how to do that a couple years ago. It just helps reinforce the spine. In fact, I think we done it with the last one we done. We used the tie back, and there's the back. And I did decorate this with the beautiful collection from Simple Stories, Life in Bloom. Oh, it turned out amazing. All right, this file folder is 8.5 by 9.5. And I did increase the spine a little bit. So this opens up, and you have a pocket here. And we had a booklet here um, that I made for the front and back, but I took it out because it's gotten too big too quick. So, a photo mat in here would be just fine. But we had a booklet that had some flips and flaps. And do I have that? Nope, I'm not sure what I did with that little booklet. Anyway, we had a booklet there, and I had to take it out. But this opens, and then that opens, and we have a little pocket here. And I just done the lattice work for a couple of photo mats. Beautiful paper. And I did use the gift wrap paper in this. So it's tied here with the twine. And you open it up, and I've done some lattice work again here. You put your photo mats here. All right. And again, this is gift wrapped from Walmart. This might be from Dollar Tree, but I really like the one from Walmart. And the one from Amazon, it seems to be a little bit thicker. I will put the link down below if you would like to purchase the gift wrap from Amazon. If you go through my link, I do earn a small commission. It just helps support my channel so I can keep going for you guys. And I just use the washi tape from the collection to decorate it. You can put your photo mats and your photos on here. Very cute. And then this flips. Here is the middle of our file folder. And I just done up some tags. And I just cut one strip of the tags. And then just kind of folded it. This one I put some stickers on it from the collection. So you could journal. You could put some small photos. And then we have photo mat, a waterfall photo mat here. Oops, I didn't glue that down. And that just fits inside that pocket. Well, you take everything out of the pockets, and then you have this. So you have that, and this is hard to keep on. So then that folds in, and this keeps us all nice and tidy. And then we have a photo mat here. And just slides back in there. Same thing with the other side. You have a photo mat here. And then this opens up to this. And then this goes inside the pocket and keeps that all nice and tidy. And then again, you have a photo mat over here. Okay. Oh, and again, I just use strips for in here. Then this opens up. If there is enough of you that would like to learn how to make this, I've done this over on my Facebook page. If there's enough of you that would like to learn how to make this, let me know in the comments down below, and I will make that happen. But I'm right now, I won't be able to do it probably till after the first of the year. Right now I'm trying to get them interactive scrapbook pages all finished up, and I don't want to start a new project right here on YouTube until I get the interactive pages done. Okay, but if enough of you comments that you would like to learn how to make this, I sure will come on here and teach you how to make this. So again, I have my gift wrapped thing here, and then it has a little tuck spot here, and again another little tuck spot. I really like the gift wrapped. I've done several projects now, and I've got some more coming up where we use the gift wrapped paper. I really love it. And then this flips, and then this is the very back, and that's the pocket. So that is my perfect file folder. I hope you enjoyed this. Beautiful. So if you would like to learn how to make this, just let me know down below, and hey, I'll make it happen for you guys. So as always, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.